The Emperor sits upon a massive stone throne carved with ram's heads, his red robes flowing over armor, his scepter and orb held with effortless authority. Behind him rise stark mountains, at his feet stretches a barren plain. If the Empress nurtures life into being, the Emperor shapes it into order. He is structure, sovereignty, discipline, and the stabilizing force that gives form to energy. The Emperor himself is the central symbol. His posture is upright, unmoving, deliberate. He embodies leadership grounded in experience, not impulse. His white beard marks him as the wise father, seasoned by time. His armor under the robe reveals that compassion does not exclude strength. He leads with both protection and firmness. He is the archetype of responsible authority, the builder of systems, laws, and foundations. The throne, adorned with ram's heads, is the first supporting symbol. Rams belong to Aries, initiative, leadership, courage, and martial resolve. They signify the Emperor's ability to take decisive action and to stand firm against challenge. The throne's stone solidity reflects enduring structures, boundaries, and the stability required for civilization to flourish. This is authority that can bear weight. The second symbol is the red robe. Red here represents life force in disciplined form, passion channeled into order, desire transformed into command. Beneath it glints armor, a reminder that rulership demands vigilance, protection, and readiness. The Emperor's fire is not wild, but controlled. He burns steadily, not fiercely. The third supporting symbol is the scepter he holds. Topped with an ankh-like form, it represents dominion guided by life-giving principles. It is power exercised with purpose, not tyranny. In his other hand rests an orb, symbolizing the world he governs, responsibility for the material realm, stewardship of community and structure. The fourth symbol is the barren mountains behind him. These peaks represent endurance, independence, and the capacity to withstand hardship. They also reflect the Emperor's emotional reserve. He relies on logic, order, and reason more than feeling. The mountains show that mastery often requires distance, clarity, and resilience. The fifth symbol is the dry plain at his feet. It represents the realm of law, structure, and practical reality. The landscapes he shapes through will and discipline. This is the opposite of the Empress's fertile field. Here, creation becomes framework, purpose, and stability. Together, these symbols reveal the Emperor as the architect of order, the force that organizes life, sets boundaries, and turns inspiration into structure. He teaches responsibility, leadership, and the virtues of discipline. In readings, the Emperor signifies authority, stability, protection, structure, leadership, and the need for clear boundaries. He may represent a father figure, a mentor, an institution, or one's own capacity to take control. His counsel: act with integrity, build something lasting, and let discipline become a form of strength.